Hi everyone, it's Daniella. Um, I have a share that I'm excited about. I did not make it to Tuesday morning this week. Um, Everybody's been sick, and so I was happy I got this package. I also have a couple other videos that are ones ready, and the other one I have to do a tutorial, so lots of things coming. But like I said, I didn't make it to Tuesday morning, but Ranger had their August mystery box, $20, 19.95 or 9 or whatever, and it's supposed to be $80 worth of stuff. So I said, why not? And I mean, Ranger's in New Jersey, so they used to have the warehouse sale where you could go and get stuff, but I haven't heard about that. So anyway, I wanted to share this with you. So I did not open it. I made sure that I waited for you. Just trying to keep this bag. Let's see if that works. Alright, so as you can see, we have a question mark. Mysterious. I'm excited. A, to see what the stuff is, and B, to figure out if it's really worth $80. Although I only spent 20, so I really can't complain. Trying to keep it nice. Here, oh, I see some awesomeness. Ooh, and I see even more awesomeness. Just tissue paper. And more awesomeness. Oh, I am so excited. Let's see what we got. All right, I got a very large stickles. Yeah, stickles. I mean, it's gold, but it says it's ice stickles. You can see, very cool. I also got a silver stickles. This one also says ice. Not sure what that is, but I'm okay with that. Got some stickles dry fine glitter. Awesome. Oh, distressed stain. I got the tarnished brass. Wow. And the antiqued bronze. Wow, wow, wow. I am so impressed. And then I got Stickles Dry Fine Glitter here. And does it have a color? I mean, it's obviously green, but yes, it says green. Okay. Did this one have a color? Stardust. Stardust and green. I should just get closer. I don't know what I'm doing here. Let's just get up in here. Okay, let me just that one. This guy, sorry about the light. We're having a thunderstorm, so I have to have the overhead light on, which I hate. These two are super big stickles also. Like this, which we'll look at in a second, this is like a regular size. So this is like crazy stickles. And these two metallic, you hear the ball in it, distress stains, antiqued bronze, and tarnished brass. So those are amazing. And some clear fabric medium. Create custom-made fabric paints with inks, powders, and more. Oh, so you add this to your stuff, and then you can use it on fabric. That's cool, and definitely something I would never have bought. So glad to have that. And this Stickles is purple. Looks a little blue on the camera, but it's purple. I think this is like a Halloween theme. And this is the Liquid Pearls. I'm trying to see if it has a color. Well, once again, Liquid Pearls, you can see it's green. So green and purple. And these guys, wow, perfect pearls. That's a blast from the past, isn't it? I had these a long time ago. And this one is mint. And this one is, where'd the color go? This is just perfect pearl, perfect pearl. So I guess it's pearl, just like the color pearl. And this stickles is Gunsmoke. I have so many stickles, but I'm good with a few more. Okay, this is obviously a border stamp and stencil. This is Dilutions. This is obviously humongous spider web stamp. Now I'm going to measure it. It is, that would be 11 inches long. That's pretty cool. Oh, 11 and a half. Wow. That is a big stamp. And I hope my measuring was in frame. And the stencil. So that is cool. Or can. And on a holiday, again, stamp and stencil Dilutions, 12 piece. We've got, you see, the snowman. Dear Santa, is it too late to negotiate? Christmas tree, naughty or nice, decisions, decisions. I say it all the time. And a pretty package. And the reason Santa has a naughty list. This little guy all dressed up, and he's a penguin. And that, and then underneath also has a stencil, bunch of Christmas trees, and Merry Christmas. So that is also awesome. And black cardstock, heavyweight surface to decorate an altar. 10 8.5 by 11 sheets for all types of craft projects, mixed media, and art journaling. It's very thick. I can feel, that's a lot of thickness for 10 pieces of paper. Doesn't give a weight, but heavyweight surface. So, and I think that's it. I'm not saying that in any kind of ungrateful way. I'm just saying that is what was in the box, the mystery box. And I'm saying I think it was definitely worth $20. What do you think? I mean, we got cardstock. We got 2 stamp and stencil sets. Gonna squish them in a little bit, I guess. I don't know. Guys over there. And then I got 2 perfect pearl mists. Got those guys. We got 2 glitters. We got this stuff to turn fabric into a paintable surface, which, like I said, is not, I didn't even know they had that. 2 metallic distress stains. 2 humongous bottles of stickles. Stickles. 2 little stickles or regular size stickles. And a perfect pearls. I'm gonna get everybody in here nice and neat. And that's it. So like I said, I'd love to hear if you thought this was worth 20 bucks. I definitely think it's worth 20 bucks. I don't know if it's worth $80, but I feel good about spending 20 and getting all this. I think it's fun, and I hope that you do too. So thank you so much for watching, and give me a comment. Tell me what you think about the price. and stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.